Here, our sample dataset for employee, which we'll use to demonstrate various Excel functions. So here is ID, name, position and salary and 9 names for our employee and its position and its salary. So let's start with the VLOOKUP, a function that helps you to find data in a table based on specific value. For example, to find the position of Shah, then how to find the position. So then write here equal to VLOOKUP bracket. Now write Shah, my name capital J, Shah bracket close comma. Now the range. So the range is in A2 to D10. Now write where is the position. So in position 1, 2 and 3. So position is in third column, then write 3, then false. You can write also 0, but I will write false. Bracket close. Now hit enter. Here the value of Shah data analytics. Here the position of my name Shah. Next, now we will discuss about HLOOKUP. Similarly, HLOOKUP search horizontally. Here how you can find data across the row. First of all, I write here VLOOKUP for better understand. Yes, then here I write HLOOKUP. Okay, so first of all I remove this. For HLOOKUP, simply write the formula equals to HLOOKUP, then write the position name, position, comma. Now write the range. So range is A2 to D10. Now comma. Then the portion is 2, 0, 1, 2. So write 2. If we write Priya Mehta's position, then write 4, then comma, false, bracket close. Now hit enter, and here the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so write 5 and hit enter, and here is the scientist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here the scientist. So next we have index and match. These functions are powerful alternates to VLOOKUP and offer more flexibility. Let's find the salary of Shah. For that, write first of all make this index. Wait a minute. Index. Now write the formula equals to index bracket. Now the range. So salary is in D2. So D2 to D10. Or also you can write this table 1 salary, but for simplicity just write D2 to D10. Now comma match. If I want to calculate the salary of my, then write Shah. So write Shah, then comma. Now Shah in name column, so write range. Range is B2 to B10. B10. Now comma 0, then close all brackets. Now hit enter. Here is my salary. For wait a minute. if you want to find the salary of Nita Desai, then how to find? So simply write equal to index D2 to D10, comma, match Nita Desai, comma, B2 to range B10, comma, 0, bracket close. Hit enter, and here is the salary of Nita Desai, 95,000. For summing and counting with multiple criteria, SUMIFS and COUNTIFS are your go-to function. Suppose we want to sum and count the salary of all data analytics, then how we will do this? So for that, simply write the formula. First of all, name this sum. Now for sum, write equal to sub if s. Now in bracket, write the range. Range is salary D2 to D10. I write D2 to D10, comma. Now the data analyst, what is the position? Then write C2 to C. Right, for simplicity, write C2 to C10. Now, comma. Uh, we want to find the salary of data analytics. Then write data D capital data analytics, bracket close. Now simply hit enter, and here the value of all the data analytics sums. For another, count if count. For that, write equal to count if s. Now write the position C2 to C10, 10, comma, data analytics, again A capital T capital analytics, close inverted comma, and hit enter. It's 5. So total 5 analytics are here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here the count of data analytics employee. Text function like concatenate, left, right and mid help you to manipulate text data efficiently. Let's look at some example. Right here, first of all, concatenate Now formula equals to CONCATE concatenate. Now B2 comma bracket to C2. Now here the value is Shah data analytics, Joshi data analytics. Okay, and if I drag down, then all name which is position are here. Now if you want to write just left side, then write left. Here the formula equal to left B2 comma 3. Now hit enter. Here the name of the left three digit is JDRH. If his name is Dhruv, if 5 letter, then write only 4 letters. Then write here equals to RIGST, write B2 comma 4. Here the Shah, Joshi, Patel also all in the 4 row. Now mid, for mid write equals to mid B2 comma 2 comma 5. For that hit enter, and here AYSH all the letters in mid term value. Handling dates in Excel is crucial. Functions like today date, date if, and network days are extremely useful for managing and analyzing date and time data. Here how to use them. For that, write today, first of all today, here equals to today bracket close. Here the date of the today's date. Now write date date equals to date 24 5 30 bracket close. Here the date, today's date. Now for dated if and networks date, assume the additional column E and F are added for the start date and end date. To calculate difference in the days between 2 days, use dated if. Here the example. For that, first of all dated if now equals to dated if, then write E2 comma F2 comma D, then bracket close. Here the values parameter etc. analysis takes and cannot be. For that, simply write end date, salary, and first date. Here, to calculate the difference in days between 2 dates and use dated if. Here the example. First of all, convert into the table. Now here I write dated if dated. Now formula equals to dated if now E2 comma F2. Here the dated E and ended date F2, which difference in D, bracket close. Then hit enter. Here the values. Here you can see that here is 364 days, 302 days, and 244 days. Now, and to find the number of work days between 2 dates, use networks dates. Means network days. For that, simply write equals to network days E2 comma F2. Now hit enter, and here the value. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Here the value of between 2 dates, how work done. So now finally let's create a pivot table to summarize and analyze complex data quickly. Pivot tables are increasingly powerful for data analysis. By mastering this Excel function, You can handle the wide range of data analysis tasks with ease, making your more efficient and effective data analysis. Now, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Check out the full Zero to Hero playlist link in the description. Thanks for watching. Let's turn you into the data hero. See you in the next video. Bye bye.